I'm reviewing the Schultz 500 watt impact drill. This is how it looks like in the box. It comes with a 12-month warranty, and this is it for DIY use only. That is not. You can use it at home for all your impact drills. When you want to drill the concrete, you want to drill wood, you want to drill metal. This is it. I'm now unboxing it. So it's 500 watts. It's average. A good impact drill should have at least 500 watts and more. The more the watts or the more the power, the better the drill. And it doesn't put too much strain on the motor. So this is how it looks. It comes with a manual. This is the manual. So that's all. Okay. That's all. Come with the second handle. It comes with the key. So that's it. Impact drill 500 watts. So that's it. So this is the key. Yeah. Easy to open, lock and open it. If you want to put the bit in, this is the key. So this is all that comes with in the box. And this is the second handle. You're supposed to So in our next video, I'll show you how to use it in the next video. Thank you.